Alright, here's the third modification for my 335. I got some grills. They are the E92 LCI M style grills. Looking real nice. Let's get these installed. Alright, so now we're going to be putting the grills on. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, 4 T25 bolts.
And then you got enough room to pull the bumper back. There's going to be tabs in here. Push down on the tabs and pull. There's a tab right here. Just push down on it and you pull forward.
Tops, you gotta go down. There it is.
How many tabs on the top? 3?
Yeah, about 3.
3 tabs on the top and 2 at the bottom. And then you have one on the side. There we go. We just got it out. I'll put the first one in.
All right, moment of truth. Second go around.
Oh man, dude, the fifth. Oh,
I should put the bottom in first.
Sure, looking clean. Yeah, I got him in at the bottom.
This is this side. Push it in hard. There it is. Snap this one in.
Finally got the black grills on. Looks very clean.